Solve the equation, natural log of 4x plus 4 equals 3. So there's our question. Natural log of 4x plus 4 equals 3. Okay, so how do we solve logs? How do we solve logs? Well, remember, logs and exponentials, which means x in power, right? That's what an exponential means, like 3 to the x, not x cubed. That's not an exponential. Even though it's got an exponent, it's got a 3 in the power zone, it doesn't have x in the power zone, so it's not an exponential. So when we speak of an exponential, we mean x itself is in power, not just that it has powers, but x is power. So back to my point, logs and exponentials are opposites. So that's a very important point that you want to get in these sections dealing with exponentials and logs. They're opposites. So if you have a log, you use an exponential to get rid of it. Or if you have an exponential, you use a log to get rid of it. So step 1, get the log alone. It already is alone. Step 2, meaning if there was like a 2 in the front or something like that, I would divide that away, get rid of that. It's already alone. Step 2, take the base, raise both sides to the base. How about base to the left side? Yeah, let me write it this way. Base to the right side. That's what you want to do. That'll get rid of it. So now, what is the base here? I don't see a base. Well, with ln, remember the base is e. So it has an invisible, which I'm going to now make visible, little e base lowered down there. So that's the base. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in another e to both sides. That red e, that one was already there, invisibly there. I didn't add that one. It was really already there, invisibly there. But I added this e to both sides. That's what I'm saying. Base to the left side, base to the right side. And why do we do that? What will that do? What that'll do is cancel these out, right? Because logs and exponents are opposites. They cancel. So this all will cancel out. When the bases match, the base and the power and the log, they all cancel. And so that just gets rid of the log. All right, and now it's much easier to solve. Now we just solve for x. No big problem at this point. We just subtract 4 from both sides. And so 4x is e to the third minus 4. Last step to get x alone, divide by 4. There we go, x is alone. Just like they say here, there, e to the third minus 4 equals 4. You can type it in on your calculator. If you type it on your calculator, remember to hit equals at the end of the numerator before you divide by the denominator. So you're dividing the whole numerator by 4, and you'll get this number. So there we go.